What's up, people? It's a beautiful day in San Francisco. I got a big mouth, huh? La. Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Sky Bobby and you're watching Skybobbytv. Vacation is over, folks. Back to work, Happy New Year. This is my first trip of the new year and I'm heading to London to meet the Queen for tea. I'm there for 24 hours, easy trip, just one leg up and 37-hour layover and then one leg back. I'm kind of happy to be back at work. I was off about 3 weeks, and as you know, I spent about 2 weeks here in Bali, and then for New Year's Eve, I did Singapore. That was way cool. The fireworks there were amazing. Anyway, it's a little bit cold in London, a little bit cold here, so I got my winter jacket on, and catching the public transportation, of course, heading to the airport. So I will talk to you guys if I get a chance at the airport. If not, I'll see you in London. You know I have to say it that way. I also started my diet a couple days ago, so I don't know if I'm going to have fish and chip, but it's really not a diet. It's more I'm going to be eating less and smaller portions. So if I do go for fish and chips, I'll probably have like half of it. But that's pretty much it. You guys seen London over and over and over, so when I get to London, I'll probably just do some storytelling and some story time, and just probably hang out in my room before I go out and talk to you guys, and then maybe go see a show. I don't know. We'll see. Stay tuned. Welcome to London. We arrived. Pretty easy flight. It was about 13 hours on the aircraft, and we are plainside heading to our hotel where it's time for me to go to bed. But that is the airplane that we took over there. And I don't know if you can see Thai Airways. That is their double-decker, one of the largest commercial airplanes. And so getting ready to get in the van and take a nap. It was a pretty easy flight there. I worked economy, worked in the back. We had a lot of middle seats open, so that made things go by fast. And we had a nice, decent break. I was on the first break, so I was able to get a nice little cat nap in. I have no plans here in London. It's a short layover, about, how long is the layover, 25 hours? We have to get up early. This was the kitchen man. He worked the hell out that kitchen, but enough about him. And back to but yeah, I'll probably talk to you guys, give you a room tour, do some story time, do some editing, have a little nice dinner, go shopping, and I'll be back in America before you even know it. Bye. How cute is this? Somebody know how to treat an airline employee. They have airline check-in and they have nice little glasses waiting for us, nice little small mason jars. It's the first time I've been here at the hotel. I hear the rooms are very small, but pretty much that's it. Lucy, I'm home. Okay, this is going to be a quick room tour. A, because this is a small room, and B, I'm tired. So y'all ready? Here we go.
All right, this is the bathroom as you walk in. Like, if you can see how I can get in here, my body just fits from the doorway. Let me show you the doorway. That is the doorway to get in, so that's already short. Basic soap, cute little amenities, the sink right next to the toilet, and a small itty bitty shower. It's not made for a big person, but okay. And let's see what's here. The refrigerator right by the door. Coffee, tea. England's always known for small rooms. That's just the fact. A safe nobody uses, hair dryer, the basics. And it looks like a double-sized bed instead of a king-size bed. Just enough to sleep. And a desk for editing. And you can see how small, this is my key card. That's how small the water is. But it's complimentary. No, it's $1.50. Oh my goodness. And let's check out the view. The back of somewhere. That's pretty much it. I see the Westfield Mall over there if I want to go shopping. But yeah, it's very small.
I'm going to get out of this clothes, take a nap, and then I'll probably talk to you guys on the video, and then go get some dinner and hit that bed. So bye, girl, bye. That monkey suit, I feel much better. I'm about to got everything put away, about to go to bed, and hope you enjoy the quick speed of the getting undressed, the unveiling. Good night. What's up, everybody? As you can see, I am home in my kitchen. That was an abrupt changeover. I was just in London, and now I'm back in home. Anyway, it wasn't that much to videotape in London because I was there for less than 24 hours. I literally flew there, took a nap, had dinner, room service, as you guys saw in the last video, and then came home. So I thought the video's too short. I wasn't going to do anything, but I thought I'd incorporate this video with London. So what I'm going to talk about today, I'm going to talk about my new toy. An air fryer just came in the mail when I did arrive in London. It came in this big, huge package. Look at this, like huge for an air fryer. I hope it's not that big, because my kitchen is not that big at all, but I will give you guys the unveiling of my air fryer, and then read the instructions, know how to use it, and then I'll probably cook something so you guys can see it, so you want to stay tuned for that. Anyway, that's it. The first trip of the year wasn't that bad from London. It was a wonderful trip, wonderful crew, and what a good way to start my year. This week coming up, I do have Honolulu, just for a day. And then I'm scheduled for Tel Aviv next week, but what's all in the world going on today, I might trade that trip for something else closer or in America or something, but I don't know, we'll see. But that is so far my month, and things are moving along. And definitely look out for my big Bali unveiling. I have like a 3 or 4 part series, and if you ever want to go to Bali, you definitely want to check out my video because it was the bomb. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. I'm still talking English like the Londoners. This is a big box. It is a new wave air fryer. Show you
What it is, part of my new 2020 way of getting back on track dieting. Okay. Oh, that's right, I got all the accessories included. I was doing late night, couldn't sleep, jet lag, and the air fryer commercial came on, infomercial. And this, you know, I bought it. It was really cheap. It was only $110, and you got all the accessories that came with it. Let me show you what they are. Okay, I got the New Wave Air Fryer Breakfast Kit. And these are all included for like $100. Gourmet Accessory Kit. New Wave Air Fryer Grill Pan. Still cooking. And then the big, huge air fryer that grills, air fry, roast, broil, reheat, bake, Warm, toast, and dehydrate. Revolutionary, healthy, digital, brio, 6-quart air fryer, as seen on TV.
Lighting is horrible. Has anyone ever ordered from As Seen on TV? Been up late night, could not sleep, and just ordered whatever? So this is my first time, so I'm definitely excited to test it out and everything. So once I read the instructions, I will show you guys probably another video tomorrow. But in the meantime, I got some homework to do. Hopefully this will work, because you don't have to use grease, and you can still cook some of your favorite foods without having all the fat, like French fries and all that stuff, according to the infomercial. So that's it. I'll speak to you guys later about it and see if I like it, yay or nay. I better keep the box just in case I'll send it back, because I don't know what I was thinking at late night, but we'll see, we'll see. So this is what it looks like outside of the box. It's digital. It has the watts here, programming, warm, delay, and I think this is where you opened it. And I guess you put your stuff in there. Looks simple. It's definitely an eyesore in my kitchen, so it's probably one of those I cook it and then put it away when I'm done, like my toaster. All right, folks, got out of the house and I'm heading to the store to get something to fry in my new fryer. So I'm all excited about that. I probably won't show you that on this video. It'll be a how do I use my fryer video or something. So I will end this video by saying thank you so much for supporting me. Now's a good time to subscribe, like, share, do what you do to keep me in this business of content creating. Anyway, also check me out on my Instagram at SKYBobbytv. I'm out of breath. I don't know why. I think I'm power walking. And I will chat with you guys later. Bye.